on the off-leash recall, so this is something you can do at home. Of course, obviously only one person can do the pager, but this is just a good way, because he is pretty distracted by different people and stuff. All right, just take a couple steps back. All right, you only want to call him when his back is turned. Jax! Good boy. Good boy. Not as easy as it looks. Good boy. All right, so whoever he has his back turned to, is going to call him. All right, girl, go ahead. Good. And then you're not going to make him sit or do anything when he gets there. You're just going to reward the behavior of turning and coming. Jax! Good. Good. Good boy. All right, go ahead. Get my wrist grip on here. All right, go ahead. That's what you want to be able to practice. He's intending on coming over here to me, and we're changing his mind and changing the behavior. All right, go ahead. As you can see that pager turning him. I'm going to zoom in on him a little bit next time. All right, he just did it on his own. Don't give him anything. He kind of just anticipated. No, he is a beauty, though. All right, go ahead. Good. So he's got that muscle memory where he's turning. Jax! Good boy. Even though he didn't completely have his back to me, he was going to go sniff where that little dog was. All right, girl, go ahead. All right, guys, more updates soon.